Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the Daily English Listening Stories. Today, we're talking about something we all need sometimes: going to the doctor. I'm Leo, and joining me today is my good friend Mia. Hi, Mia. Let me ask you. Do you like going to the doctor?
No, not really. I don't think anyone likes it, Leo, but it's important.
Yes, it is, even if it's not fun. And today, we'll learn real English phrases that you can use when you visit a doctor.
That's right. This topic is super useful because everyone gets sick sometimes.
Exactly. So, Mia, let's imagine you are not feeling well today. How do you feel?
Mm, okay, I'll pretend. My head hurts and I feel hot.
Oh no, maybe you have a fever.
Oh no, poor me.
So, what should I do? You need to see a doctor. First, you call the doctor's office.
I call on the phone?
Yes, ring ring.
Okay, so I call. What do I say?
You can say, "Hello, I need to see the doctor, please."
Hello, I need to see the doctor, please. Easy.
Exactly. Then the receptionist will ask you questions.
Receptionist?
Yes, the person at the front desk. They'll say, "What is your name?"
And I say, my name is Mia.
Perfect. Then they'll ask, "What is the problem?"
I have a headache and I feel hot.
Exactly. You tell them your problem. Then they'll give you a time, an appointment.
Ah, appointment. The time to see the doctor.
Yes, they might say, "Can you come at 2 o'clock?"
I can say, yes, I can. Or, no, sorry, is 3 o'clock okay?
Perfect. See? You can make a small, polite conversation.
Okay, now I have an appointment. I go to the doctor's office. What do I say when I arrive?
Good question. You can say, "Hello, I have an appointment at 2. My name is Mia."
That's easy. Hello, I have an appointment at 2. My name is Mia.
Exactly. Then the receptionist says, "Please sit down. The doctor will see you soon."
So I sit and wait in the waiting room. Maybe I look at magazines.
Yes, that's what we all do. And then you hear your name.
Mia.
That's right. The nurse calls you. The nurse helps the doctor. They'll take you to a small room.
Okay. And maybe they ask me questions like, how are you feeling?
Yes. And you can answer, "I'm not feeling good. My head hurts."
Easy. Then what does the nurse do?
They might check your temperature with a thermometer.
Oh, yes, that little thing for your ear or your mouth.
Exactly. If it's high, it means you have a fever.
Oh no, I'm sick.
Yes. And then the doctor comes in.
The big moment. Hello, doctor.
The doctor will say, "Hello, Mia. What is the problem today?"
I say, my head hurts and I feel hot.
Perfect. And maybe you also say, I have a sore throat.
Sore throat. That's when it's hard to eat or talk, right?
Yes, exactly. You can also say, I have a headache.
Headache. That's an easy word. I like it.
So you tell the doctor, I have a headache, a sore throat, and a fever.
Wow, I'm really sick.
Yes, in our story you are. Then the doctor will say, okay, let me see.
What happens next?
The doctor will look in your throat with a small light and say, open your mouth and say, ah.
Ah,
Perfect. Then the doctor might listen to your heart with a stethoscope.
that's the thing around their neck, right?
Yes, they put it on your chest and say, breathe in and breathe out.
Okay, doctor.
You're a great patient, Mia.
So the doctor checks everything. Then what?
Then the doctor tells you what's wrong. Maybe they say, you have a cold.
Ah, a cold. When I sneeze and say, achoo.
Exactly. Then the doctor gives you advice. Drink a lot of water. Rest. Take your medicine.
Medicine can be a pill or a liquid, right?
Yes. And the doctor writes a prescription, a paper for your medicine.
Then I go to the pharmacy, the medicine store.
Yes. You give the paper to the pharmacist. They give you the medicine and explain how to take it.
One pill in the morning.
Exactly. Then you go home, drink water, rest, and in a few days, you feel better.
Yay! No more headache. No more sore throat. I feel great again.
That's the best part. Feeling healthy.
Yes, health is so important.
It is. And remember, English can also help you take care of yourself. Because when you can speak to the doctor in English, you feel more confident and calm.
That's true. And today we learned many useful words like appointment, headache, fever, prescription, and pharmacy.
Exactly. Now, for everyone listening, we want you to practice.
Yes, in the comments, write one sentence about your last visit to the doctor.
Or tell us what new word you learned today.
We'll read your comments and reply.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
Thank you for joining us, everyone. Take care of your health.
And your English.
See you next time.
Bye for now.